For me, dance is a therapy, an art through which to say how I really feel without having to open my mouth. Being there, wherever I am, and just feeling the music in my soul, becoming that music, being too immersed in the feeling of movement to think about anything else. Dance inspires life, just as life inspires dance. Dance is my home. Now, picture the perfect dancer. What do they look like to you? In many areas of the dance culture, a stigma has formed around who can or can't dance based on what they look like. So many times have I been scared that I'll fail as a dancer for lack of the ideal characteristics. This stereotype is toxic. It can stop people from pursuing an activity that they love. In the end, it doesn't matter how flexible you are, your race, gender, shape, or size. Dance is meaningful, to each in their own way. A stereotype should never stop a person from doing what they love. I love dance, and it helps me to love myself.
And you get your groove on. Yeah, I lose my mind. You get your groove on. The whole world goes blind. So get your groove on.